Now, I don't want anybody to fall out of their chair, but this truck's basically got every single possible option from Ford, and this truck stickers at a whopping $78,605. You heard me right, $78,600. Hey guys, Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky got a 2021 F-150 PowerBoost. So this is Ford's new hybrid F-150. This truck also happens to be Ford's highest trim level in the F-150 segment. This is a limited in the new carbonized gray color. Now, I don't want anybody to fall out of their chair, but this truck's basically got every single possible option from Ford, and this truck stickers at a whopping $78,605. You heard me right, $78,600. But man, what a beautiful piece of equipment. Ford's got their 22-inch wheels that they've always included on the limited. You can see this slick brushed aluminum front clip with the limited on the top here. This truck's got it all. This one's got the 2.0 prep pack, so Ford in Q3 is going to allow you to update the software on your truck, and this truck will be able to drive itself. Ford supposedly is going to have 100,000 miles of roads mapped for the self-driving capability. Now, this truck also has got the onboard generator. There's two different onboard generators you can get. I think it's a 2.7 kilowatt and a 7.2 kilowatt generator. So if you look in the side of this truck bed, right here, you can see there's a 110, and a 220 there. Now that 220 is good for up to 30 amps. So hypothetically, you could power some pretty big stuff. I really like this PowerBoost. I've driven it, I've probably got 30-45 minutes of wheel time with it. I took it home the other day to let my dog out. Big difference in torque. This truck is rated for 430 horsepower, but 570 foot-pound of torque. And you can really tell a huge difference in this torque. You know, you got this custom hybrid 10-speed transmission to go along with it. It's really impressive. Takes some getting used to. You know, I'm not used to jumping in an F-150 and taking off in electric mode. So that's taking some getting used to, but I think it's just the wave of the future. Hybrids with better fuel economy. It's just how it's going to be. On these new ones, the power running boards, when you get close to the truck, they automatically open up. I'm going to let you take a look at the inside. This interior, I believe, is called Admiral Blue. Pretty slick. You can see they've got the diamond kind of stitching this year for the first time I've ever seen it. You can see it's still got the limited badging on the dash there. Really slick. This truck's here and available, guys. If you have any questions or you know anybody that's interested, we'll put our number down low here. You can reach out to me. This is an absolutely beautiful truck. We're at 625 Garvin Lane. That's Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. The home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. So we hope you guys enjoyed this quick little blip. Stay tuned. We're going to do a little bit more in-depth video on the PowerBoost itself and how that 7.2 kilowatt generator works. So stay tuned. Have a great day.